There's a few ways you can get to add supporting information from the home page, the most tempting of which is to click on the bar at the top saying supporting information. I would resist the temptation to do this because it opens up all the supporting information submitted in previous years, and it can get very confusing as to which is relevant to this year's input form. Instead, you should go to your home page, click the three bars at the top and go to your home page. From here, we get the traffic light system and we click on supporting information. We start with a blank screen. We're now going to add a supporting document. We've already scanned a document and we know where it is. We're going to call this supporting information a name. Let's call it the Human Factors Study Day because that's what it pertains to. I did this study day last year in 2018 on the 2nd of April. It was a one-day course and I don't have to put in the end date. We don't have to state exactly what type of activity type it was, but I'll call it personal and professional development. I want to claim 4 CPD points because that's what I got awarded in the certificate. If we want, we can put details of the course, but you can see there's no mandatory thing to fill there. Now, we've got a choice here as to whether to add a paper copy, and I would strongly advise you against that, because if you add an electronic copy, everyone can see it when they go onto the PREP system, including your appraiser and your responsible officer. So we're going to click Add File. I've already scanned a document to my appraisal folder in my computer, and here it is, Human Factors. I've added that file now. If I want to, I could select it from an existing document, but I would strongly advise you not to do that. If this was part of my PDP from last year, I could add it development needs, but that's not important. Now look, there are 8 different categories. Please only choose 1 or a maximum of 2 different categories to upload your supporting document to. I'm going to add it to continuing professional development because that was the activity that the Human Factors Study Day pertains to. I'm going to write a reflection using the first person. I felt that I learned a lot about managing difficult colleagues on this course. I don't have to say what learning need or objective was addressed, but I do need to describe how this will change the way I work. And I've decided that I will be able to better interact with difficult interpersonal situations. So this is how it has affected the change I work, and that should be acceptable to your appraiser, maybe a little bit fuller than what I'm putting here for the purposes of an example. And that's it. We click Add, and that's your first supporting document for this year.